Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a HP Envy 5530. Now to do this, you're going to want to be on the main screen of the printer. Should be looking something like this. And along the top here, got a whole series of symbols, and there's one that looks like an ink drop. Press into that. And here you get a representation of how much ink's in the colour cartridge, how much ink's in the black cartridge within your printer. Sadly, with the design of these cartridges, there's no individual colours for the cyan, magenta and yellow. Just got the option there. And to be honest, with these cartridges, I'd always recommend just running them until you notice the print quality diminishes, and then get your replacement in there. Really make the most out of them, because with there being 3 colours in one of the cartridges, it's impossible for it to keep track completely accurately. So you might as well get your money's worth. There's no option to change the cartridges or anything fancy from here. It's just OK to be returned to the other menu. Now, if there's something else you'd like to know for this printer, we have a whole series of other videos on our channel for various maintenance bits, cleaning, test pages, things like that. I'd recommend checking those out. But if this is all you're after, please do let us know with a like if you found this useful. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.